Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sandeep Sabnani. I am from the Kumarji Group. Today, we are going to discuss what are the changes which have taken place post-corona in the real estate segment in India. A lot of consumers have been asking us as professionals and experts in the industry. One of the biggest change which we have noticed through research and in terms of feedback achieved from consumers is the fact that a lot of them now aspire to buy a piece of plot, land, even though if it is in the outskirts of the city, build their villa or bungalow and live in serene, peaceful environment. This has led to a surge in the number of inquiries for plots and land parcels in the outskirts of the city of Ahmedabad. Let us understand today what are the 8 main reasons which make land or plot as a highly attractive investment asset class. In terms of assets, we know that the value or the appreciation happens based on demand and supply. When it comes to land, we know that land cannot be manufactured, it cannot be created. On the other hand, the population of India is rising. India is likely to become the most populated country in the world by overtaking China by the next 10 years or so. Henceforth, the demand for land is higher, whereas the supply is restricted, which leads to the rise and hike of prices. The second benefit is when compared to existing properties like your homes, offices, shops, inland, there is no maintenance hassle. For all other properties which are used as investment, one has to pay utility bills, electricity bills, rent them out, face tenancy agreements, change of tenancies, occupancy vacancies, and many other such maintenance hassles. There is nothing of that nature when it comes to a land or plot. Land is an asset which offers a lot of peace of mind and financial security. Through the demand and supply, we have known that the prices generally tend to rise over the mid to long term horizon period. Henceforth, people own land with a sense of stability and pride. Land is a tangible asset which people can feel, get connected emotionally. If they wish, they can use it or retain it to sell over the mid to long term with high capital appreciation growth potential. It is a tangible as investment. From a diversification perspective, land fits into the bill very well. Majority of the experts have mentioned that one should not invest all their eggs in one single basket. Henceforth, when compared to other volatile classes such as equities or gold or silver or commodities, land can help an investor to diversify his or her portfolio and bring in a sense of balance in volatile markets of the other asset classes. Due to the rise in population, there has been always a high demand for land parcels for building of new residential projects from various developers. This leads to the rise of prices of land or plots automatically. On the other hand, due to the coronavirus pandemic, based on the clarion call of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi for India to become Atmanirbhar India, and various other government initiatives like Make in India, we are now seeing that all multinational companies from all over the world have started to realize that India is the next global factory. India is likely to replace China in this sense. Henceforth, a lot of multinational factories are trying to obtain industrial land in various states of India. The demand of industrial land has risen dramatically. Henceforth, the prices of land is also likely to rise. In terms of The government of Gujarat recently a notification has been issued that the Jantri order circle rates are going to rise by 1.5 times. This also is going to raise the prices of individual plot or land owners. So we have now noticed and seen what are the main reasons which makes land or plot as a good investment asset class. The next question which comes is, in Ahmedabad, which are the areas which one consumer should look at for investment in land or plots? Our in-house research team has done some extensive research and identified about 6 or 8 hotspots or suburbs in the western part of Ahmedabad, such as Rancharda, Palodia, Vayana, Mulsana, Shela, Khatraj, Nandoli, to be such areas where land prices are likely to appreciate faster and quicker when compared to other suburbs also. There are the main reasons behind this is the Delhi Mumbai industrial corridor passes from the nearby vicinity areas of these suburbs mentioned. The second reason is if we analyze the development of SG Highway has taken or the prices of SG Highway have risen due to the two topmost clubs located on SG Highway, such as Rajpat Club and Karnavati Club. In the last 15 to 20 years, land prices in the vicinity of SG Highway area have risen by more than 10 times. Now, all the three major clubs, Rajpat Club, Karnavati Club, and Sports Club, are setting up new facilities by acquiring more than 400-500 acres in the suburbs mentioned just then and setting up new clubs with modern facilities due to the rising demand. Henceforth, based on the historic data, in these areas, the land prices are likely to rise in the near future. Henceforth, a lot of reputed developers are coming up with plotting schemes wherein the plot sizes range from 500 square yards to up to 6,000 square yards. The prices range from approximately 5,000 square yards to 30 to 35,000 square yards. In order to get the best deal from the most reputed developers from the city of Ahmedabad, we welcome you to inquire with our property consultants and experts at Kumarji Realty. Please connect with us through our Facebook page, our website www.kumarjirealty.com, our Twitter handle, our Instagram handle, or we are just a phone call away. Thank you for listening to us. See you.